In this video, I want to demonstrate the Sony ECMCS3 Lavalier microphone. This is a wire microphone, and we're going to hook it up to the Panasonic GH4, but I want to show you how it works. It doesn't need any phantom power or any special settings. It's just connected to the camera, and it will detect it. So let's get the display going here. So as you can see, the meters are just picking up the regular internal mics of the Panasonic GH2. And the way you connect this is through the side input of the, and it says mic right on there too, so you'll be able to connect it. It's a 3.5 millimeter stereo, so it's gonna detect it right away. So as soon as we plug it in, watch what happens. There we go. See, it's represented by that mic eye contact right there. So I'm gonna record a little bit from this old lavalier. It still works, even the writing's been removed off. It says left and right, so if I tap on this side, you can see that that side gets picked up, which is the left, and if I tap on this side, then the right side gets picked up. Okay, so right now we're gonna show you a little representation of the audio with this microphone, seeing if it's any better, and we'll have a little comparison video of it without it. But this is exactly how it works. You're not going to be able to get too far, but let's see how it works. This is an audio example recording without the lavalier mic. Audio check 1 2 3. This is a normal talking voice. Audio check 1 2 3. Now let's connect the lavalier mic and listen to how that sounds. Okay, this is an audio example of the Sony ECMCS3 audio check 1 2 3, and we're listening to the difference between how it's connected into the camera and what it sounds like as I'm speaking close to it. And then we're also going to check out the difference of the internal mics of the Panasonic GH4 audio check 1 2 3.